In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Clio Manage for a new law firm. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized workspace ready for clients, matters, billing, and your team. Start by opening Settings. This is your control center for everything you'll configure. It's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, so changes later are quick and consistent. Next, open Firm Preferences and enter your firm details. Add your firm name, address, time zone, and currency to make sure dates and money display correctly. If there's an option to add a firm logo, upload a high-contrast image so it looks sharp on invoices and communications. Accurate firm information keeps your documents professional and avoids confusion for clients. Now, set up your practice areas. Add the areas your firm handles, like family law, criminal defense, or real estate. Clear practice areas help you categorize matters, filter reports, and keep your pipeline organized. Use names your team will recognize so everyone applies them consistently. Go to Manage Users to invite your team members. Enter their work emails and send invitations so they can create their accounts. Add everyone who needs access, from attorneys and paralegals to your bookkeeper. Getting your whole team in early helps with training and ensures data is centralized from day one. Open roles and permissions to assign the right level of access. Decide who can view billing, manage trust accounts, edit settings, or see all matters. Use the principle of least privilege. Give people what they need to do their jobs and nothing more. This protects sensitive data and reduces the risk of mistakes. Head to Accounts and add your bank accounts. Create your operating account and, if you use retainers, your trust account. Label them clearly so there's no mix-up when posting transactions. Keep trust and operating activities strictly separate to maintain compliance and clean books. If the system allows, choose which account should be the default for new matters. Open Billing to configure invoices, payments, and reminders. Set your invoice numbering format, due terms, and any taxes. Choose how you'll accept payments and review reminder schedules, so clients receive gentle nudges without over-communication. Preview an invoice template to confirm your branding and details look right. Go to Contacts and add your first client. Enter key details like name, company, if applicable, and primary contact information. Accurate contacts enable conflict checks and smooth communications. Then open matters and create your first matter for that client. Link it to the correct practice area, assign responsible team members, and set important dates or budgets if needed. Finally, review your setup. Check your dashboard, billing settings, contacts, and matters to confirm everything looks consistent and ready for real work. Thanks for watching.